Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic X Shadow Generations movie DLC. First, you will need to acquire the Sonic the Hedgehog 3 movie pack. This can be purchased individually for around $6, or it comes included with the digital deluxe edition of the game. After purchase, make sure the main game is installed. Then download the movie pack from your console's store. Once purchased, it is crucial to install the DLC before you launch the game for the first time after acquiring it. This helps prevent any issues with content appearing. After installation, start Sonic X Shadow Generations and load your existing save. To unlock the movie content, you must first complete the Space Colony Arc Act 1 stage in Shadow's campaign. Upon finishing Space Colony Arc Act 1, a notification will appear, indicating that a new portal has opened in the White Space Hub world. Navigate to this hub, and you will find the portal situated close to the entrance of the Space Colony Arc stage. Step through this portal to instantly jump into the exciting movie-themed level, where you play as Movie Shadow. This special movie pack offers a singular, immersive level directly inspired by the Sonic the Hedgehog 3 film. You will control Movie Shadow, complete with his unique design and the voice of Keanu Reeves. Utilize Shadow's signature abilities, like Chaos Control, to navigate the realistic environment, defeat enemies, and aim for the highest possible score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.